Alright.
Yeah, we back again.
What's up, YouTube?
We back with something good.
No, they don't know when we ready. Hey, guess what we got?
Story time.
Story time.
Wait. Code name. We gonna call Kirkle say in the building, my nigga. We gonna call.
It's Saber right here. You feel me?
Shout out Saber.
Yeah,
Shout out Saber.
This is his brother.
Shout out Saber.
We
Twin,
got
dynamic duos.
You feel me? That's his brother.
What's the code name?
Cool.
His name is what?
Bro, fuck that nigga. We
Dante,
call him
bro.
by...
No, not Dante.
No. We gonna call him. We gonna call him.
KT.
Yeah.
KT.
We gonna
KT. Yeah,
KT. All right, we gonna call him KT because
KT. It was both. It was
two. It was two.
KO.
KO. Yeah, because I already used T, remember? Alright, KO. We gonna call it K and O. Because he did get K and O.
You feel me? Let go, turn up, they were in the building. You feel it? We back in here, let's get it,
Alright,
so let's get to it.
Alright, so I think this all started
like 2 years ago?
Alright, I mean, it's really his story time.
But alright, it happened like 2 years ago, right?
Yeah, it was 7th grade. It was
7th grade, 2 years ago, right? It was this dude. It was this couple. It was this couple named
KO.
We can't say name. KO.
So
the ugliest couple.
Right.
So they would be at lunch. They would be at lunch.
And we were
making out.
Right.
So
they'll be kissing and
one
stuff
day
like.
we spotted it.
Like,
we was
damn.
we was like, oh, that nigga gay. He's sitting on her lap. Like, bro, go get a room.
Bro, this relationship was messed up. Like, the girl was the man.
Yeah, the girl was the man and the boy was the girl. Yeah, he was sitting on her lap.
Right.
Like these, like
making out.
Like.
It was so disgusting, bro. I couldn't eat. I'm a fat nigga. I like to eat.
And we would always like yell stuff at them, like, nigga, get out with that. Like, you feel me? Like, like we would always dog them.
This day, it got to the extreme.
Like,
back and forth. We had to move
we had to move our seats and everything.
So that's
hold on.
Let's get to it.
And then we got up. You feel me? It was time to get trays. Yeah.
Put our trays up.
And I'm gonna tell you from my point of view, and then you tell for yours. Alright. So I got up, right? I was walking with Zay. You feel me? We putting our trays up. We was all in a group. Like we was all we goofy, bro.
Like we like do goofy.
You're quick, like our stuff so seriously. Like I promise you, we just trying to be funny, bro.
Right, but
like when we do stuff, bro, like it's nothing.
We throw away our stuff.
Alright. We throw away our stuff. Alright. Hold on.
It's so funny, bro. This dude Isaiah decided to go behind the girl.
No. Yeah, the girl.
Both of them and act like he gonna kick her. Like, bro, she said she touched him around. We was just like.
No, hold on. Let me say it. So, Zay, like, fake kicked her, you feel me?
You like, bro.
Out of nowhere, bro. Her nigga just turned around.
Boom! Clap my shit.
Bro,
gone.
Like his chin was
his whole chin gone.
Gone, bro.
My whole chin levitated to like the left, bro.
Bro. And Zay just like when he hit him, like his chin like rotated to us, and he was just looking at us like
silent,
silent. Like the whole cafeteria just turned silent.
Straight 2 minutes. Straight 2 minutes.
I was looking at both of them like.
Right, like did he really just do that?
Hold on. This, bro, bro.
I'm like,
bro, and remind you, it's, bro. We gonna name him. We gonna name. We gonna name him. EC. This dude named EC, the goofiest child. Well, he childish, but like he one of our dudes. But like he the loudest person you will ever know.
I know
he
talking
started laughing out of nowhere, just like he goofy, like
straight.
That's why everybody mess with him, because he goofy.
But it was a straight 2 minutes. Minutes of silence.
Right, bro.
We all staring at it. Zay, like Zay.
Like I'm talking about. Like we was all looking like, damn.
This dude Zay.
Turn around.
He looked at us like. It's about to go down.
It's about to go down. Like you feel me?
All you see is 2-piece boom, boom,
boom.
Zay just, dude, hit the window, drop.
Bro, he hit the window, and then his girl tried to cut. Zay turned around.
Bro, I'm telling you, bro, my hands are bisexual. Like,
Just clap. What, bro? When I tell you, like, he clapped this shit, I'll just be like, she went. Oh,
like
the phone, the camera.
That ass out. That's
they shut down. Like
bro,
his whole body shut down. After that too, we boom.
Bro, like. He was on the he had to get carried out like these.
And his whole face
he was
blue,
like, bro, he was like these getting carried out.
Like
bro.
these, like
damn.
He was, bro,
like say goodbye.
Simple. Say goodbye. Shout out to Soul. Say goodbye.
Yeah, like
goodbye.
Oh boy.
Like, bro. Then they had to carry Elijah out of there, bro.
Right, I had to calm this dude down because he over here going crazy.
I see this nigga. What's his name? We gonna call him.
B, bro. This little faggot boy gonna try to come. This dude gonna try to come at my brother like trying to go stump his stuff because he got tackled by like 10 teachers. Cause he
right, bro. They threw me to the ground, bro. My wrist was messed up and everything.
His wrist is also.
Right, my wrist was like broke. Like, bro, they slammed me like I tried to
get up.
Look, cause I was trying to bust him with like a stick or something. I was crazy, bro. I tried to run up the wall and everything.
Right.
Like, bro,
he was trying to do some ninja stuff up the wall.
And they caught me in the air and slammed me like straight Brock Lesnar.
Mr. Dub.
Right,
Mr. Dub hit you with that.
He with some Mortal Kombat, like, come here.
Like, here, boy.
Fatality.
Right,
Fatality. He had you there for a second. He said, yeah.
Like, it was not playing, but
then they gonna grab me. I'm like, bro, get off me. I went psycho, like, demon mode, boy. Stop playing with me, boy. Y'all know about that demon mode.
You know, everybody that know him, he got them demons inside of him.
Right,
like that's what
let's not talk about that.
Like, we on a different topic. But like, bro, this like shit was crazy, bro. I got. That's the first time I ever got clapped.
That shit was wrong.
That shit was funny
though.
It was
like how you turned around and just clapped. That was he hit it with that.
He was like, you just like that.
Right. Like he just looked at him like, you done.
That one video that they used to have on Vine when it was like, at this moment,
he knew.
But, yeah.
I think that video.
End of the story.
I think that video was corny, bro. I'm not gonna fake. I'm being that. I think that video is corny. Cause we all talking at the same time. It gotta be like playing thought. We all can't talk at the same time because they not gonna be able to hear us.
I don't even care.
I'm trying to do this another day.
I don't care, bro. If they hate, they hate.
Right, bro. It wasn't even corny, bro. Like it was lit.
Yeah,
it was lit. We was on some crazy like.
Behind the scenes, come on.
All right, so that's gonna be it, bro, for this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if y'all want us to do more story times and stuff.
Wait, come on. How you gonna have us saying the video corny? You gonna start it over in one video? I don't know.
Weird, bro. Alright, we need to go, bro. Alright, make sure to like, comment, subscribe if y'all want us to make more videos, bro, about this story times and stuff, bro. Cause we got hella more story times.
Honey house. How we got kicked out of the party. How this dude Isaiah
be doing the
this girl in my house with the smelly pussy. No, we not doing that. We not doing that.
Yes, make sure to like the video if y'all want to hear that story time. Make sure to like this video.
Get us to 50 likes, bro.
If y'all get us to 50 likes, we'll make another story time.
Make a video
about, you feel me?
I love my virginity, boy. It's a lot of stuff is going down, boy.
Alright. It's on with you.
Hey.
Alright, right now.
Gang.